And while the national capital is all set to open from tomorrow after 40 long days, the unlock process that is beginning and shops will be opened as per the odd-even formula. Sumi is getting us this report on how businesses are now preparing to come back.
As the number of COVID cases are constantly on a decline in the national capital, Arvind Kejriwal, the Chief Minister of Delhi, yesterday informed people that the lockdown will in fact end and the unlock process will begin from tomorrow. In fact, we can still see the preparations going on in full swing. Here in the Connaught Place, which houses hundreds of commercial shops, which will open in an odd and even scheme. Remember, last year, post the lockdown, the same criteria was followed, where the alternate number of shops were open. In fact, if this shop opens, the shop next to it will not open, and the shop next to it will see an opening tomorrow. So that is the odd and even scheme for you, and how this shop has been constantly, mopping the floors and also making sure that there is a sticker on the floor of social distancing, and they will also ensure that thermal screening goes on at the entrance gate of the shops, and they will also ensure that masks have been donned by all the customers. These are the COVID protocols that they will have to follow, and in fact, this is the unlock 1.0 of the second wave of the pandemic, which will begin from tomorrow. Along with the commercial shops, the private offices will open with 50% occupancy. In fact, the Delhi Metro will also open with a 50% occupancy. However, restaurants, bars, gyms and salons and anything to do with the amusement and entertainment purposes will not see an opening. And however, that will open in the next phase of the unlock. In fact, Arvind Kejriwal very clearly said that if the positivity rate remains to be what it is now, from June 14th, certainly Delhi will be more open. So this is the unlock process that will begin from tomorrow. And remember, all the people out there who will come out to explore these markets, be it a commercial market of Connaught Place or Janpat, will have to remember that it is now on the people, it is the onus falls on the shoulders of the people to ensure that the third wave that is yet to come will certainly be less fatal as the third wave, as the second wave. And in fact, people will have to ensure that their masks do not go down below their nose level. And in fact, they have to constantly follow the social distancing norms, and also will have to adhere to all the COVID-appropriate behaviors along with the respiratory etiquettes.